Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Vince over at Ceramic Pro Killeen, and today we have a 2023 Kia Telluride that we are installing a front bumper PPF package on. We are super excited to do this. As you guys saw in my earlier video, I purchased my wife a new vehicle. This was a showroom model with 23 miles on it, and so I had to make sure this was protected right away. So here we're just giving you guys just a quick before and after, showcasing exactly how we do our install. You guys know we're Ceramic Pro Elite dealers, so that means we're using the Kavacha ceramic coating infused films. And so we're showing you guys just a few different things, some of our techniques, stretch methods, how we flood the vehicle with tack at times. We're using PPF gel as well to make sure that we're not getting any of those annoying little adhesive marks that PPF installers complain about all the time. So we are using PPF gel behind that as well as using our slip solution. So we definitely want you guys to check this video out, give us some feedback. If you are in the Central Texas region and you are looking for paint protection film, make Ceramic Pro Killeen your choice. We're voted best in Central Texas for the last 2 years. Check out this finished product. Tell us what you think. Leave us a message in the comments. Thanks, everyone.